Okay, I am so excited about this. This is my first advent calendar for 2025, and it's a cheaper one. This was only $20. It's a MCO Beauty. Let me know if you heard of it. I think somebody told me it's like a dupe company for like Pat McGrath or something like that. I can't remember. Let me know down below if you ever heard of it. I think this is an Australian brand. I'll definitely find out more for you and put it in the description box. But it was only $20, and it's a 12-day calendar, and you get, it is a $70 value because the little sticker is here. It says over $70 value. So I was so excited, and I never heard of the brand, but on my vlog channel somebody told me about this because I was like, do you guys know any like newer subscription boxes or advent calendars? And somebody told me about this. I was like, wow, $20. I mean, you know, if it's good, and even if, I don't know, I even thought, because I don't know like how, like $20, like how is it going to be? But even if you have like preteens or teenagers, I figured Christmas time's coming, or stocking stuffers. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So, all right, let's open her up. Oh, really quickly, our co-host is Miss Aura, aka Ori, who can't be bothered. I already did my boxy charm for October, and I did a mystery box, a $50 mystery box. I don't know what's going to go up first. So anyway, she's bored. All right, let's see how you open this. Okay, there's tape here, so let's do this. Oh, okay, yep. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Ooh, okay. I'm impressed. I am impressed. You might hear a dog. My neighbor has a husky, and if you guys know anything about huskies, they're very talkative dogs. And anyway, I have my window open, and you know, I live in Jersey, so I live in South Jersey, so it's more like city living, so the houses are right, you know. Anyway, so that's what you hear, a dog. The dog's okay. He just howls all day long. I don't know if you can hear that. It's so funny. All right, so let's just, I'm going to go in order and just go with number 1 here. I don't know how you get this out. Look at this. Does it just, oh gosh, I'm making a mess. Yeah, you just pull it out. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, Ann. Can you tell I haven't done this for a while? Okay, so the first thing, I like the fact that they're all wrapped up. So this is a MCO Beauty. It's a mascara. Extend Lash in Black. Look at that. I already have mascara on. Otherwise, I would definitely try this on. I don't know. I'm using my viewfinder. Okay. Oh, and it doesn't have that mascara-y smell. That's good. Okay. Already, because you know I'm a hashtag natural lash type of girl. So I'm happy about that. Okay, so number 2 is up here. Let's do that. Wish I could just like rip this off. Can I rip this off? I don't know. That one piece is bothering me. It's my OCD. Okay, what we got? This, oh God, is there anything in here? It's a little heart-shaped pad, which I actually like. I actually like the end part, really, to go in here with the powder. I really like this. I'm glad to get this. I really, really am. Okay. I don't have my trash bag up here. What am I going to do? I'll be right back. I'm going to run, you know, I'm on the 3rd floor. I'm going to run all the way downstairs to get my trash bag because my mind, I don't like clutter. I'll be right back. Hold the phone. I found this instead, so I didn't have to go all the way down the steps. Okay. And it's trash night, so that's good. We got number 3, which you be. Oh, this is a hair and brow wand. Yes. And it's in clear. Oh, I can't see, but I really like these. Do you guys remember every time I used to get these, I used to be like, oh, I need to like these. But now that I use them, I really like them a lot. I think it makes your eyebrows look better, you know? Okay, because I've been using castor oil for right in here, and they have been growing. It's really been working. And so, anyway, so we got that. Okay, number 6. Let's see what we got. This is Super Glow Golden Drops. Okay, let's see if I can use this as a highlighter or what. Oh, I like the color. I could tell you already. Yes, yes. Look how pretty. Okay, I love this color. This is the color. Look at that. I mean, I put a little bit too much on, but I like this. Okay, number 7. All right, so we have a little makeup sponge. This is a little firm. I like them a little bit softer. My favorite so far is the e.l.f. one, and L'Oreal makes a good one too. But if you wet it, I don't know, maybe it'll be a little bit softer. But just from this, it's a little too firm for my liking, but I haven't tried it, so I don't know. What did I do? I missed number 4 and 5. What in the world? I'm like, did I just do 7 and I didn't do 4 and 5? You guys that are watching are like, what happened to 4 and 5? That is too funny. I cannot believe, I'm so excited. Like, the first thing that I see. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is number 4. I do know how to count. Okay, what is this? Ooh, Miracle Flawless pressed powder. So, of course, it's a little baby sample, but this is the type of stuff I like for my pocketbook. Look. Ooh. I actually like that. Okay, all right. I like that. That is perfect just to, you know, or what have you. Okay, now we have number 5. This is a cheek and lip tint in the shade Dusk. And even though it has a safety seal, even though these are like samples, I mean, actually, these will last you for a while, you know, even if it's just you want to try it. I learned my lesson with blushes, cream blushes. You only need a tad bit. That's probably even too much. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Now, that is something I would wear. Okay. All right. Okay, now, let's go to 8. It's a big one. This might be a full size. I don't know. This is a Miracle Flawless Setting Powder. Oh, you know what? This might be Charlotte Tilbury, because I'm looking at the design. This is the dupe for Charlotte Tilbury. And this is like, again, a nice size sample. Oh, that has a nice... The mister is a little, like it's punching you, like, you know, but it's not bad if you hold it far. And I like the smell, actually. Okay. All right, we got that. Number 9. So this is a lip treatment. It's a peptide lip treatment in buttercream. Yeah, peptide lip treatment. Okay. So it has one of these doohickeys. Can you see? All right, so we have 3 more to go. So here is number 10. This feels a little heavy. Oh, this is a grip primer. Melt Cosmetics has this. Okay. You know, so when you put it on, it's a little sticky, so your foundation and stuff will stick to it. Now, I probably won't use anything like this. I'll see if one of my friends want it, because I don't use foundation anymore. If I do, I use like a tint, or like I just use a little concealer or what have you. You know what I mean? Or like a lightweight not lightweight, like a lighter coverage. I only use like real foundation if I'm going out on a date or somewhere like that, but for typically every day, I just, and then when I do wear the makeup, I only wear it for a couple hours, you know what I mean? So, but I do know, like, this type of stuff works really good, especially like for full coverage. Okay, and that's a decent size too. I don't know if it's full size or sample. This must be full size. That's a pretty decent size for a primer. Okay, the next thing is number 11. Oh, it's a lip liner. Yeah, this is definitely Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, let's see. In Cheeky Chat. Say that 3 times. All right, so that's what it looks like, and you can sharpen these, but let's see. Oh, that's pretty. That's like your lips, but better. That's really pretty. And it's like kind of creamy. Not like real creamy, but it's nice, you know? Okay. And last but not least, number 12. Would you be? Okay, so these are the Super Glow Bronzing Drops. So the other ones were like highlighter. So let's see how this one is. All right, so that's what it looks like. This reminds me of the ColourPop one. It's a little too dark for my complexion. My favorite one is by Glow Recipe. But, yeah, this is a little bit too dark for me, but that's just because I'm pale. You know, that's all. All right, and that is everything. So let's recap everything that I got. So I got a mascara, sample size, which I am fine with mascaras because seriously, like, mascaras last a little bit. Since I already opened this mascara, I set the timer, so it only lasts 3 months anyway. You know what I mean? So I'll be using this up. And then I got a clear brow gel, which I'm happy to get. I use them all the time now. We got the bronzing drops and then the golden drops. So like a highlighter and bronzer. The highlighter one, I'll definitely use. This one I'll have to give to my daughter. We got the Miracle Flawless Setting Spray, which I'll use. I like it. We have a lip liner. We have the lip treatment butter thingy-majiggy. We have a pressed powder. And then we have a makeup sponge. This is like a little firm, but I'm going to wet it and try it. Don't knock it till you try it. But I love this. This is like perfect. Like I'll use this, the end part here to go like that. Perfect. Would somebody say, would you pay $20 for this? You're damn right. Like, I'm telling you, even if you just use these for stocking stuffers, but I'm going to use this for myself. This is great for your pocketbook to put right in your makeup thing. For me, that's why I like the sample sizes. You know what I mean? Like on the go or traveling or something like that. But, oh, I forgot. And we also got the blush right here. Let me put that back in there. And this is, I just realized this is magnetic. Oh, that's cool. But yeah, I like this. Let me know if there's any more advent calendars that you want to see me unbox or that you haven't seen. Now look, I ain't talking about the Charlotte Tilbury that's like $200-300. Your girl ain't got that type of money. You know what I mean? But let me know if you like these type of unboxings and we will do more. All right, that's everything. Don't forget to hype the video. Hyping the video really will help me out. Make sure you thumbs up the video. Leave a comment. That would mean... Make sure you leave a comment. Comments really help out with engagement and mean the absolute world to me. And that is everything. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel, Just Anne's World. And yeah, I think that's everything. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy. And most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. I always want to say category. Let me try that again. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. Are you bored, Aura? We only got one more video to do, okay? Bye.